Hello guys, today I'll show you how can you find company phone number easily. So guys, make sure watch this video until the end. I am actually working a project for my client and I just noticed that I'm searching phone number but I didn't find some phone number in the website and their Facebook page. So how can I find their phone number if they don't listed in their website? So I thought I should make a video about this, and this is actually lead generation. If you want to find any contact information from website and the email address, that's called lead generation. So I'll show you the process how can you find phone number of any company. So I just write down some company name here. So how can you find such company phone number easily? So I'll show you the process. If we go one company, just go Google. Okay, here if you search here the domain name, this is actually company domain name. Okay, so here you see this is the website. First the where to you find phone number, just you go their website and search if their website have the phone number listed any place. So if you noticed here, you see the top of the right hand side there have the phone number. So if any case if you don't find phone number in the website, so what you can do, you just go Facebook page, okay, and search here about us page. Here you see they listed their phone number. So if any case you don't find in website and if you don't find in the Facebook page, so what can you do, you go just LinkedIn page. Okay, go LinkedIn page. So there have many paid tools as well, so I am showing you the free process how can you find. So when you go LinkedIn, just search in their about us page. Here you see about and they listed their phone number. Okay, so if they don't listed in website, Facebook and LinkedIn, so what can you do, you go Instagram or any social media they have, just search any place they have the phone number or not. So if you got any social media page their phone number, that's okay for us. And if you don't find in social media or their Facebook page anything, if you don't find their phone number, what can you do? So I'll show you the another process. This is actually unique process. Just go here and search Coinsbase. This is called a company website. There have all company listed and their information. Okay, Coinsbase. Okay, just go there if you find here. So last place you can find here. Okay, so this is the company and the website Coinsbase. This called actually a company website because there have tons of company they listed their information, so you can easily find their information. And if you noticed here, you see their phone number. Okay guys, so there have more tools, actually paid tools. You can find the phone number, company phone number, like Zoom Info, like other platform. So I'm actually showing you the process how can you find freely. So such place you can find their phone number, any company phone number, if you don't find in the website. So here you see this called another company. If we go here, so called ASOS. So if you go there in sorry, if you search here, so we got their actually website, or they don't have actually listed in Facebook and Instagram and LinkedIn their phone number. Here you see in this Facebook page they have done phone number. So if you go just this company search Coinsbase, then you can easily find their phone number. Okay, so this is another company I am showing you. So they actually don't have in the website, they don't have actually the phone number. So here you see they listed their phone number in the Coinsbase website. So this is the way, guys, how can you find easily free the lead from website or social media page. So if you find anything helpful from my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel, and thanks.